What if I told you these earbuds can deliver you studio quality sound and it can process 3 times more data than an average headset? And not to mention, you get 2 full days on a single charge. And I know that sounds crazy, but here's a real question. Are these actually worth your money or just another overhyped pair of earbuds? Good question, right? Today we're breaking down the SoundPEATS Air6 HS, from the insane audio tech to the real world performance, and whether they actually live up to the hype. So if you're into premium sound, powerful bass, and next level features, you're going to want to see this. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it right now. In this video, we're diving into 5 key areas, from the unboxing experience to the hardware and comfort, the sound quality and app, the features, and of course the battery life. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my honest, no BS review, so you'll know if these are actually worth it. Big shout out to SoundPEATS for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into it. So we're going to be unboxing the Air6 HS SoundPEATS, and I want to thank SoundPEATS for sponsoring today's video. Of course, you get the standard box, and then this is definitely the main event. Got this, but you guys can see. Of course, you got your cord and stuff like that. So after you throw the box away, you have these things, and then some cool stickers for the kids and your user guide. Now you can plug these and follow. Then of course you got this. You got this right here, the SoundPEATS. You know, sturdy, nice, pretty. You got that nice black finish. I mean, the whole thing is like you got like a dark silver. Kind of hard to tell, but you got your dark silver that match with the black, or it could be black. So this is what you get. So let's go ahead and continue with the video. The hardware feels premium right out the case, and with a solid, well built-in design, doesn't feel cheap or fragile. The earbuds are lightweight yet secure, fitting comfortably in my ears without feeling bulky during long listening sessions. Even the charger case has a clean, compact finish with a smooth, satisfying open and close, making the whole experience feel polished and high-end. Now let's talk about sound quality, and honestly, it's above average across the board. On the phone calls, I had no problem hearing anyone clearly, but there were maybe 2 different moments where someone told me that I sounded like I'm a little distant. That said, that's more of a Bluetooth mode thing than an issue with the earbuds themselves. Now, when it comes to watching YouTube or streaming content, audio is loud, crisp, and super clear, making every sound clean and easy to enjoy. And what I really like is the control you get through the SoundPEATS app. You can tweak the settings, fine-tune your sound, and really make the experience your own. So let's talk about some of the features. First up, high-res audio. This is studio quality sound, not your typical Bluetooth. With 3x more data, you get audio that's cleaner, richer, and packed with detail exactly how it's meant to be heard. Now let's talk about the battery. And if you're feeling a charger, then go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, battery life. Yeah, it's kind of crazy that you're getting 45 hours total playtime. That's 9 hours on a single charge and 36 more from the case. And if you're on rush, 10 minutes equals 3 hours of listening. Go figures, right? So let's talk about my conclusion. So my conclusion is, I think these are worth your hard-earned $39.99. Yeah. And I mean, you're not breaking the bank, but I don't know your situation. But if you need some good pair of earbuds, like I said before, I haven't had no issues with them since I've been using them, and I'm wearing them right now as we speak. So like I said, I don't have no issues, and I really think that it's definitely worth it, especially for the price point and everything you get it for. And like I said, though, there's not no one of this earbud you spend hundreds of dollars on. Then of course you'll probably get like a different type of performance, but these are definitely above average, and I really enjoy these SoundPEATS on earbuds. Well, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please like the video. I truly will appreciate it. Well, guys, that's it for me. Well, until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.